Welcome to Robert von Roy channel of alternative treatments in a natural way. If you like my information, don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe. Diseases have always existed, but in recent years their frequency has grown alarmingly, even among young people. Lack of sleep, overworking, smoking, are just some of the causes decreases of our eyesight. Although it is an ancient discovery, this plant is one of the best products for eyes care, and not only a keep in the house for ornamental, decorative plant that is a wonderful, beautiful, beneficial, simple, not pretentious, and is accessible to all of us. Her gel can added in yogurt or in various shakes. Named Eyes Drop of the 21st century, the aloe gel has effect as treatment of eye diseases. It helps reduce opacity of the crystalline in the case of cataracts, improves eyesight in the case of myopia and hypermetropia, heals conjunctivitis, blepharitis, but also other ocular disorders. Rich in water, antioxidants and important vitamins, aloe vera gel is an important ally in preventing diseases. Aloe vera has 20 of the 22 amino acids in human body structure, including 7 of the 8 essential amino acids that cannot be synthesized by the body. The plant, also, has minerals such as calcium, potassium, phosphorus, copper, iron, sodium, chlorine, zinc, magnesium. Aloe vera also contain vitamin A, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2, B6 and B12, vitamin C and vitamin E, and proteins that help to improve certain eyes disorders, such as cataracts, dry eyes, glaucoma, infections, irritation and conjunctivitis. At the same time, aloe vera stimulates production of white blood cells, supporting the healing of living tissues. Its gel has a protective effect on delicate membranes that covering the eyes. Therefore, aloe vera extracts is included in treatments for diseases, such as cataracts, corneal weakness, or macular degeneration. Consumed regularly, aloe vera helps us avoid diabetes-related diseases. There are several ways to use aloe vera gel for eyesight. The simplest is to extract the gel from a leaf of aloe, mix it until you get a puree and apply 2 or 3 drops in the eye, in the evening, before bedtime. Orally take a teaspoon of aloe juice 3 times a day. This remedy combats not only conjunctivitis but also blepharitis, ocular nerve atrophy, and crystalline disorder. Another option is to combine the aloe vera gel with very nutritious foods such as honey and cashew nuts. This remedy combines ingredients with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Once absorbed by the body, the substances in the remedy improve eye health. This mix is rich in fatty acids, fibers and minerals beneficial to the sight, but also to the whole body. Honey pure, unrefined honey, is a famous ally in the fight against cataracts. It has antibiotic properties and helps to clean and nourish the eyes. Due to the high content of zeaxanthin, an important carotenoid, the regular consumption of cashew nuts improves the eyesight and health of the eyes, also preventing macular degeneration that occurs with age. To prepare this remedy, we need these ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera gel, 50 milliliters of water, 50 grams of cashew, 25 grams of honey and juice of 2 lemons. Wash the aloe leaves and cut them to extract the gel. This is done with a spoon or teaspoon, depending on the size of the aloe leaf. After we extracted the 100 grams of gel from the aloe vera leaves, we put the gel in a saucepan, together with that 50 milliliters of water, and let it boil for 10-15 minutes. Strain water and put the mixture in a refrigerator for 10-12 hours. After 10-12 hours, remove the gel from the refrigerator and put it in the blender along with honey, cashew and lemon juice. We mix until we get creamy smoothie. We divide this beverage in 3 servings. These 3 servings should be drinking in one day. Smoothie is drunk at least 30 minutes before meal. Once included in the diet, this remedy does not only help in the eyesight, but also the immune and digestive system. This remedy has a low calorie content, so there is no inconvenience for those who follow the weight loss diet. Note, however, aloe gel is not indicated for pregnant women during the last trimester of pregnancy. If you have kidney disease, gastrointestinal tract diseases, or cardiovascular diseases. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Robert von Rotzroy channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow, and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.